We take our cars for granted. They're there to shuttle us to work and back, take the kids to school, do the weekly shopping. They enable us to meet up with family and friends, get us to the airport or train station on time, take the kids to parties and sleepovers. But a car doesn't last forever. At some point it will break down, and whether it's a minor issue or a major problem, life doesn't suddenly stop. You still need to go to work, do the school run, make sure there's food in the house. Therefore, it's essential that you know who to call if the worst should happen. Located on Burnt Mills Industrial Estate in Basildon, the expert team at CH Motors understand how much you rely on your vehicle. From small technical faults to suspension and engine tuning, our experienced technicians provide a comprehensive, affordable range of repair services that will get you and your car back on the road as soon as possible. Put your trust in us. Call CH Motors on 01268 729 777 to find out more about our high-quality, competitively priced vehicle servicing and repairs, and to book an appointment.